Hi there, this is my lock, and this is the package I recently received from PickSmith. Link up here to PickSmith's channel and down in the description. So in this package was the cursed master lock. So let's try and give this one a pick. This just arrived today, and I have basically just done the unboxing. So let's try. So we can use a 1.2 tensioner. Oh, it's very crunchy, very grindy. Right, so let's and one is binding. Feels really, don't know if you can hear the sort of crunching. No key, so not sure what the bitting is like. So basically just picking by feel. There we go. And picking by feel, and it does feel kind of nasty. Yeah, there we go. Not a lot of nice clean feedback. Lots of crunchy, graty. You can feel the pins grating as you lift them up. They don't glide or slide smoothly, which does kind of mask the feedback when you get a pin set. So yeah, definitely a cursed lock. It doesn't feel very pleasant to pick. But there we go. PickSmith's cursed master lock. I'll be passing this on to somebody else to have a go at. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.